is our divorce paper. Sign it. What are you waiting for now? Sign it now, Oga.
So you really want me to sign these divorce papers?
Yes, sign it.
You!
Wait, hope you know that when you sign these divorce papers, all your properties, I mean all your properties, including this house, now belongs to me.
I know.
Jesus.
For the meantime, I will squat with my friends. By the time I build another house, I will move on.
Hold up!
You are really signing it? Do you also know that all your money, I mean all your money, including the one in our joint account, will now belong to me?
Precious, I know.
Oh,
Same way I worked for those money is the same way I will work for new money and get new money and move on with my life.
Our children, including the one inside my stomach, you will not see them again. I'm going to spoil your name. Anytime they see you, they will know that you are really a bad father.
I will remarry. And my new wife will give me beautiful babies as well.
Oh.
So I don't care.
You have another agenda. You have another agenda, Sabi. You see this marriage? We will die in this marriage. Nobody's leaving this marriage.
Hello?
Hello, bestie.
What's up with the divorce? Has he signed it?
No, he didn't.
What do you mean no? You didn't use the format I gave you.
I did, of course.
So what now happened?
I changed my mind.
What? What do you mean you changed your mind?
I changed my mind, though.
Oh, okay, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Please stop. No, stop. You didn't sign the divorce papers.
She changed her mind.
What do you mean she changed her mind? Why? Well, you didn't do anything.
What was I supposed to do?
You act as a man. Do something. Just try something. Act as a man and... God, I'm so disappointed. That is my place. I'm supposed to be there as your wife. She's delaying me for crying out loud.
The struggle.
Now listen. If you don't divorce her, we are done. Just forget about us. You see this access and this access, nothing for you.
Come, Peter. Sir? The way you take the carry this meeting, I will suspend you. You the yes so where your wife born. Now people buy soap. Now this meeting they take contribute money. And as I dey tell you so, respect yourself. Your name since last 3 months, you know they pay dues. I beg wait. Come, you. The way you dey behave with this group, without this organization, you are nobody. Let me tell you. You really get mind. They go do your house celebration. You bring different people to celebrate them. I dey notice you. Without this group, that's your cement store where you open for that 4. Now here we take they patronize you. You the yes so where brother Mike won't build that. He buy 1,000 bag of cement. If you not know me, you know. Brother Mike, talk with you.
I agree the asshole. I don't say when I was the one that now say we be this man here now. So now the guy want to turn and say we going to join this our meeting.
You tell him everything.
I tell him everything. So your name now, but I saw no more. That be your name.
Is it pastor?
No.
What did they do, guy?
Stand up now. She man talk.
Did they drink for him?
Che, now I come now I buy them.
You go dey respect yourself.
Now I buy all those things now. Don't do drink now.
Go carry the thing. You tell him everything.
I tell her everything. I tell her the rules and regulations.
Never try.
Okay.
You carry the money for nobody.
Yeah, everything they tell everything.
He don't tell you everything.
You don't tell me everything.
Before you come.
Yes, Shema.
Perfect. Now they see him. If this organization is not progressing, we go get new people.
No.
We go get new people.
No.
Perfect. And let this be a sound warning. This group, this organization, when you see so, now be everybody backbone for you.
Yes.
Without this group, many of them for that 4. Let the drink go round.
Okay. Share it now.
Get the
Fast.
biscuits and the granola. Come. How many of you that they notice the attitude of Peter for this group? You are owing 7.5 for the last 3 months. You never settle him. When they talk about food, you will be the first person to share things. Put my biscuit for you. Might just let you know. If your wife born. Two.
Okay, sorry.
If your wife born, the group no go come. Until you settle that 7.5. Come off my front. Share with that side. The food don't go around, I think.
Yes.
Okay, brother Mike. So, you say your name now, Solo. So, brother Solomon, it stand your back fully. Anything, one person problem now waiting.
Another man's problem.
One person cry now waiting.
Another man's cry.
So there's no cause for alarm, eh? So enjoy yourself. Those who don't chop one time, when I not chop 2 times, so guy drop that. Sure. Come, they respect yourself. You dey hear me, so Peter?
Yes, sir.
Me and you no be mates at all. We no be mates at all. You dey hear me?
Yes, sir.
Drop the bottle of granite. I don't tell you say for this meeting, I go take bottle of granite and address your head one day. Mike, share up. We now come to the end of the meeting.
Yes, sir.
So we celebrate.
Yes, sir.
Atura Dada!
Atura Shaki!
Atura Dada!
Atura Shaki!
This entry!
We know the fear am.
This entry!
We know the fear am.
Tutu got to make it go round.
Okay, church.
This one,
So, Baba, I know this. What be this beast?
I remember the goalie this guy.
Una know this. You whack me. They tell me what it is.
God have mercy.
Wait, boss.
Share everywhere, those poor.
Share some guys just hold me for road and they begin to beat me. Why not do that? Anything, Chema.
they join the group.
No, they
I tell
don't.
them say me they wait now. You don't tell them say you never dey pay dues now. Why they will go draw you money for us? Why? Now the Peter.
No, not be Peter now, guy. Not be Peter, Chema. Now I don't know the 4 guys. They just as soon as they begin to beat me for
4
road.
guys.
Yes, sir, Chema.
I know they understand what you dey talk. Explain yourself.
Chema, I say some boys begin fight me for road. I don't know them. Man, so no be.
Benjamin for me. The grace. No, that's me. That's me. That's the left of street abi.
Stop! Not be that leg. I do my shame for you, so nothing to solve. So when you comment,
I beg you to come. Get up to that one. I just say I call to join. When you dey join the thing, they're not testing a job. I'm not testing a cooperative. I'm not testing a union group. You tell us that court. Who put you for court? When you drink that, they give you beer. Respect yourself. What do you see?
Sir, as I look now too, after this their number 1, so you go first go down.
My guy, come on here for my first to be number 1. Not to bank up, go back like 2 pack. Come, I'll be your mate. I'm going to 40 years. You dey hear me so? That is Solo.
Oh, you don't you are bad guy. You don't hide that. Now you dey shout, sister. Me one shot now. Your man go dead.
this man.
You want to sacrifice your last card because of Yash. Oh my God! Wow!
think I forgot something at home. Can you please drive back?
You don't know why it's going on.
This is what you normally do anytime I'm off to work.
Jesus!
So this is what you normally do with people's wives. I will show you why they call me chief. Oh no! Musa, come here. See, I will make sure I wipe off your family lineage. I will make sure I delete your family. Take him outside. I will clean up on anything that looks like you. I will deal with you.
Brother, help me, brother.
So, help me, brother. I told you I will wipe off your generation and anything that looks like you. Your brother has the audacity to go into the bedroom with my wife. I caught him with my wife, sleeping with my wife. Today, I will wipe off your family lineage.
Oga, I don't know him now. Oga, I'm on my way to church this Sunday morning. Do I know you?
Oh! You let him run away. You let your brother run away. Today, I will show you.
Whoa. It is what it is. It is what it
Masa, it's all my coffee in there. Yapoko. Come on, go put the shoe. Diga. Sasushi. I told you that you are. It's all what you want. Funny people. Shadi. Ekeje. Masa. Lebe solo no.
Mashua mama lebo no.
Solo ka solo na gym na egwu. Na Tosi. Solo. Oge ni neki jabia late.
Yes.
Ewe. When your team don't be silly this morning. Okay, Tijuana get don't be silly all the time. Sa ekeje susoi. Ta so sha ta nya ya ha. Osi.
Hey! Funny people.
Satoshi. You for him, Maga can say, so I was not holding a lion of such a thing. I to say, just what? That's what I am. Oh, anyway. Shoshi. Okay. Shoshi. Shisha. Without to see, so can was the let each other again. You can't basta. I like one they come for the easy. Sato Kunato. Masai. So I can just so tall of Shoto sa what ya? Take over Oswald. Take over. So that's to wasi, shoda so dijin, ta lo so do saya tu sele nga rescue. Ani ni je ko ba na ka je so puta di girl.
Yeah. Masa. Mo ma jo Jonathan. Masa.
Solo. Sa to se ka sa ni ya bo ka ti sa tu ka chu to no na pa la. So de, koso. You run no. You get to ka so wa, i je ka feel the drum. Sa to ya. Yeah. Koso ta to se一下问个gì? Ủa nhà là số tài sản cố số gì à? Ủa là?
This man. Hey!
they worry you? Oh!
God have mercy upon us.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Blood of Jesus.
70 years old man.
Oh!
This man.
我想做啥做啥，那多谁个子呀？说啥说现在，说了，年龄也敢一里的办。俺能都，说啥做啥，我得干那大给哥哥。哎，大西 ，if you move，做个大，啥做呀？
So after one, why people full ground? Eh?
Yes.
No one see take advantage of this guy, Abi? Yeah. Oh yeah, officer. Oh, this idiot.
大啥？啥？拿话拿话，东北大同谁晓得？同行，大就大，说喽，大谁路啊？
Eh, madam, you tell them what they have for you.
大说喽，说功夫。
I saw them kung fu. Madam, you tell them what happen. The two of them? So because say she be deaf and dumb, that make una wan take advantage of her, Abi? That make una take advantage of her. Officer Dave, hold this. Oh yeah, hold it. Hey! Hold it. Hey! Whatever you do or say will be used against you in the court of law. Yes. Master!
Solo. Who's the last shower this time?
Move! Go to the station.
Solo. Who's the last shower this time?
Neighbor, good morning, oh.
Morning, neighbor.
Hope you are okay.
I just dey at okay.
This one they are seated like this. Have you eaten?
I never chop. Food not there.
No problem. I'm coming. Just give me a few minutes, yeah?
Wow, this my neighbor is nice, though.
Neighbor.
Let me manage it, okay?
They bought this for me.
Just manage. That's all I have.
Thank you very much.
Yeah? Enjoy.
Thank you.
Forget.
Oh. Neighbor, you put cocktail.
My lovely neighbor.
Neighbor,
See what I got for you. Kiss you. This one. Take. Open it now. See what I got for you. Are you scared? See.
Wow. Thank you, neighbor.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Let me feed you. What's this? Take. Neighbor.
Neighbor, the way you have been so nice to me, neighbor, tell me the truth. Tell me. Do you want to sleep with me?
Neighbor, it's not so, Joe. Do that. Neighbor, you know I've been nice to you. I've been so good to you. Neighbor, please, I need a favor from you.
Hey, go ahead now, talk. You dey waste time.
Neighbor, I'm pregnant. And I don't even know who is responsible. Now I want to go home to go and see my father. I don't know how I'm going to present myself to him. He will be so disappointed in me, and I don't want that. Neighbor, please, I want you to go with me and go and meet my father and assume responsibility so you will not be ashamed and disappointed.
I talk am. I talk am say the way you just the nice they give me. You give me food, you give me the... I know say they prepare me for something. My mind don't tell me lie.
There's no so.
Oh!
Neighbor, see, I'll give you 3 million naira.
What is that?
First, then we'll go and see my father.
Oh!
Everything he asks you to do, you do it. You know I'm his only daughter. He's going to settle me. There's going to be a house, a car, any other thing. Neighbor, I'll give everything to you. Now, you don't even have to assume pregnancy after then. You can go your way. I don't want you to even feel you have to stay with me or have to marry me. No. Please, neighbor, just follow me.
Wait. Now for me to follow you, go your papa house. Toss in and me get the belly.
Yes, sir.
You give me 3 million naira.
No.
Then everything we will come get for everything for this waka.
Yes.
I go carry and go. Everybody go tear paper.
Chicken.
There was 06.
Wow.
Quick. 90.
Wait now, you too like money.
90.
06, nice.
Good afternoon. And welcome.
Daddy, this is my friend from school.
Wow.
Good afternoon, sir.
Young man, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Daddy, I brought him to show you. Daddy, I'm pregnant. And he's responsible.
What?
Daddy, please tell them to stop it. You say we take responsibility.
You say what?
You say we take responsibility. Please stop.
It will take responsibility.
Yes.
You get up.
Oh! Young man, say you will take responsibility.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See my daughter. She's the only daughter I have. I don't joke with her. I love her and I cherish her. So, since you are willing to take responsibility for the pregnancy, you are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You see, that is the first step for any suitor that is coming to ask our daughter's hand in marriage. That slap is the #1 welcoming step. Next one is my sons will welcome you.
Okay, sir. Yeah!
Not be juju be that.
Stand up.
Yeah!
Not the shout you need. Stand up. Wow, good. I can see that you are willing and ready to take responsibility. You see, she's my only daughter and I love her so much. Because of that, I'm going to give you one of my choice houses.
Oh my God!
The one in Lekki.
Thank you, sir.
And one of my cars. I
you,
got
sir.
it recently.
Thank you, sir.
So I'm going to give you so you can settle and start your life. And again, we have a kola nut we offer to our son-in-law to be. Get me that kola nut.
Yes.
Young man, I like your type. You are responsible.
Thank you, sir.
And willing to take responsibility for your actions. You see this kola nut? Sweet and spicy. It's for you. Make sure you finish it. And young man, see, as you are eating it, I don't want to hear. You understand?
Yes, sir. Very well.
Oh yeah, keep eating.
The blood of Jesus.
Daddy, please let him stop now. He said no.
It's almost true. Young man, continue. Finish it. You are strong. Continue. Young man, you see, we have one final and last step you will go through. See, that one, you do it outside. Yes, young man, this is the final test. And once we are done with this, my daughter is yours. Okay, pour the water. Good. Young man, lie down and start rolling. Why this cane? My sons will use them to flog you until they are all broken. Oh yeah!
The blood of Jesus.
Where the man will give you belly?
This